Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have a huge zit, but that's okay. I also have 3 children in the background. That's also okay. Today, what are we gonna do something with? We're gonna do something with this, right? My friend Ashley, shout out to you, Ashley. She wanted me to do something with this, and actually I'm gonna do a few looks with this because this costs a lot of money, and I'm gonna get my money's worth. Okay. Let's actually prep my face. Let me put my base on, and then I'll be right back. Okay. Now that I have my base on, let me move you guys closer. Ooh, we all up in my business now, girl. You see all my pores, my skin, my lies, and deceit. Okay, so what we want to do, we're going to go in, like I said, with the Naked Heat palette. But first I'm going to prime my lids. So you can use an eye primer, a concealer, but my personal favorite is the P. Louise base. This is the shade Rumor 2, I think. Yeah, Rumor 2. But you can use whatever kind of base you want for your eye. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I use a brush. You can use your finger. I used to use my finger, but they're already all gross and dirty with makeup. So I'm going to use a brush. This is a Morphe M173. It's just like a Packer concealer brush. Real dense. And we're just going to pat it. Ooh, my eye. Just going to pat it out. Up to almost a brow bone. Don't have to go all the way up there, but you know, blend it out, girl. So I'm wondering if I want to do one eye different, or if I'm just gonna do both eyes. I don't know. It's not like I can ask you guys because I've already recorded this while you're watching it. So thanks for nothing. De nada. I think I'm gonna do one eye look. That way I can get more videos out of this one palette. You see what I'm saying? Then I get more views and I get more money and then I get more subscribers.
Excuse me.
Make sure you're subscribed. Okay.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, let's go into our heat palette. And we're gonna start off with low blow. It looks like this, guys. Low blow. We're gonna get a big old fat juicy blending brush. Oh, actually, I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna go with the JH32 brush. See how it looks? It's like fluffy, it's tapered, kind of big. That's what we need. So we're just gonna, oh, I scratched the damn color. Can y'all see that? I haven't scratched the damn color. Anyway, let's get a little color here. And what we're gonna do, what I do, is I like to look down. I don't like to do this because then your shape will be off and that looks crazy, right? We don't want crazy. So what I do, tilt my head back so I'm not creasing because I have hooded lids right in this area. I look down into my mirror and I just go right in that area where, you know, this area here, the crease. This is where your folds meet, I guess. You can pat it, pat, pat, because that base is a little sticky, so your brush isn't gonna glide smoothly. We don't need a lot, we just need a little flush of color, okay? And we can go, Ryder, please!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
You go up close to the brow bone, that's okay. Actually, do we wanna use tape? We might wanna use tape. No, we won't do the exaggerated. This first look, okay, I've just decided. This first look, Ashley, is gonna be what you gonna wear to work, okay? So it's daytime appropriate, you can go to work, but you still cute. So we're gonna just do that to both lids. But you guys are only gonna see me work on this eye, okay? What I like about this palette, first of all, because I tried it out yesterday, right? First of all, blends amazing. Second, these are like everyday colors, or you can jazz them up. So you can wear this to work or to the club, girl. Just depends on how you apply. Okay, so we're gonna take this same brush, and now we're gonna go into the shade Cayenne. A little deeper, but these are all warm colors, so watch what we do here, okay? Oh, this is the work look, right? So we're not gonna get too crazy. What I do is I dip in, and then I, see all that extra? You don't need all that. So you wanna go a little bit lower this time. Still looking down. Just put your brush right here, and you'll feel your bone and your eyeball. And you just fucking, excuse me, I'm trying not to cuss. And you just freaking go back and forth, okay? Focusing it more out here though. We only need to dip into that color one time. So now we need a smaller brush. See how it's very much more smaller. Look at the first brush. Now look at this brush, okay? This is my Morphe M506 brush. I love this brush. Now what we're gonna do, let's go in with Fuego. I think that's what it's called. Or we could go deeper. No, we could just go, cause this is for work, girl. We're going to work. Dip that in, tap. And we're gonna focus this color just right here on this outer V. See, I'm gonna make a V shape right here. Focus this color. Pat, pat, pat. Oop, yeah, let's get some color up on that. See that? Then let's start sweeping. Don't go in here. Just kind of stay in this area. Doesn't have to be super neat. Come in this way a little. Get some more. Pat, pat, pat. You don't want to go up too high either. You want to stay in the fold. See here. You want to stay in this area. This is just going to give your eye some dimension. Okay, so now that most of the color is off the brush, then we're going to slightly go inward. Just go like this and just rub in that crease. That's it. So if you don't know where your crease is, just look straight and rub. Boom. Boop, there it is. That's done. Okay, we almost done, girl. We almost done. So now we're gonna take a flat shader brush. So this brush here, yeah, mine is pointed, but it doesn't have to be pointed. It could be angled. But see how it's like flat? That's what you want. If you wanna jazz it up a little, get you some setting spray. Spray that bad boy a little bit. You don't need that much, girl. You don't need that much. Now we're gonna go in with this shade Scorch. Yeah, this one. Okay. Oh, you see my mouth in the mirror? Right here? So now, take that, the wet side, put some of that on your brush. When you put it on your lid, you more want to pat it on. You don't want to swipe yet. Pat it on so you get the full impact of the color. So, pat. See, I have some fallout. I had too much on my brush. Pat, and now we can swipe. 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 Right? Swipe. And come up to this brown color, girl. I like my pointed one because it could go, I got little deep little creases in inner corners, so it gets all up in there. Okay, so we're gonna overlap this color a little bit, this darker color. Now we're gonna go back with that smaller brush we had. Don't put nothing on it. We're just gonna pat in between. This is how you blend, okay? We're gonna pat in between. We're gonna go back and forth with both brushes, just patting right on that imaginary line until it's perfectly blended. You can go over a little bit, that's okay. That's how you blend it, girl. Because you don't want to know where one starts and where one begins or ends. What did I say? If you feel like you need a little bit more color, go ahead and grab a little bit more. Now let's get that first brush, the big blending brush, and we're just gonna make sure this is all blended together. Oh, we cute now. So now we wanna go, we're gonna take that small 506 brush. We're gonna go back into that Fuego color, get a little bit of that, and dust under our eye. You don't have to do this a lot, especially if you wear contacts, because it might make your eyes irritated like it does me. But these are the sacrifices we make for, you know, makeup. I be trying not to open my mouth, but can't help it. And that rubbed my eyeball. Make sure we're even, right? You always want to make sure. This side usually comes out darker because I'm right-handed. So now what we're gonna do, let me wipe this powder off my face right here. Just get a fluffy brush. Don't press, just, that's it. So now you go in with your favorite mascara. I don't really care about what mascara I wear because I always wear false lashes. Coat to lashes. I don't really need to go heavy with this either, because like I said, I wear false lashes. But if you don't, girl, this is where you shine. Put on your lashes, right? Let me put on mine, be right back. Okay, so I know. It's a lot of lag. It's okay. You don't have to do this much. I like this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now we got the lashes on. Now, what I do is I spray my face, but I already sprayed my face. Use your setting spray. Then I could go in on my bottom lashes with some mascara, more mascara, and you done. Get you a fan, girl. Get you one of these. You can go on as heavy or as light as you want with this, but to counteract this, I need to do a lot. So let's just speed through this. That's it. Now you just gotta put some lips on You know me, keep it nude. I keep it buck and naked. So just get you a dark brown lip liner. Line them things, girl. Make them things look juicy. You're gonna blah, blah, blah. Get you some e.l.f. or any lip gloss you want. Actually, I'm gonna go with my dose of color. Actually, I'm going with my e.l.f. Because I can't find my dose of color. It's in my purse. And I don't want to go to my purse. So we're just gonna take this one, brown, nude gloss. This is e.l.f. that Alyssa asked. I don't even know if they make this anymore. And boom. Let me go take this off, get cute. We'll finish up, and then I'll be back with my slow-mos. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. Now if you want me to do something with a palette that you have already, just leave me a comment down below and I will get to as many of them as I can because I want this to become like a new segment on my channel. As always, make sure you're liking, commenting, subscribing. I love y'all and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Be sure to check out either a playlist or another video to the right or left, or if you're not already, push my button and make sure you're subscribed. Thanks, girl. Bye.